Salute, family. It's Professor Mo, and
Like Burly himself.
we are the two kings. They used to call us the three kings.
Salute, heavenly resting for the brother Diallo Frazier. Not here,
Salute.
never forgot.
But he knows that we're still working.
That's right.
We still building. I told him, I was teasing him the other day because, you know, I'm a New Yorker, he's a New Yorker. We used to, New York pizza's the best. But when you traveling to Italy,
Yeah, you getting it firsthand.
yeah, Italy getting it firsthand.
Yeah.
We got the 52 blocks in South Africa, 52 blocks in Italy. We're trying to expand. Whether you with Lyte or you with me, we are both together. So all you guys that want to know what the deal is, we're 52 block practitioners. Just like if you was a karate practitioner or a kung fu practitioner. You may be in a different camp, but we represent the same system. And we're all about growing this system as big as it can, going global, people. Italy, South Africa, we're going global. So guys, we want you to stick with this journey with us. Okay, guys? Salute.
You hear a lot about people talk about, well, you throwing bones, I'll just punch you in the body. Stepladder was made just for that. So this is me going here, this is this catching that. But down. Not sword fingers. You're catching it. Flash fingers. Not sword fingers. You want to catch his hand right there. So if I'm going jab, and I'm trying to push that right hand. Exactly. It's not sword fingers. Catch his hand. So a lot of times you'll see this. You know, it's here. You punch. So your hands are more sore. See, my hands are here. Yeah, you already hit. Yeah, because I'm in the catcher's hand. And even with my, yeah, see? So just catch his hand over the sword fingers. So you gotta relax your hands. Yeah, just relax hands. No, not here, catch it. You want this. You're trying to guide it to the elbow. You want to be able to catch it. So if your sword fingers, and I don't want you know when his fingers jam, you want to be able to catch it. Yeah, there you go. Hold the elbow. Or slam. The slant of your skull and bones is important. See how your back leg is catching it? So here your back catches it. So this slant, bend down, is important. This is why you want to have a sharp, this creates a sharp elbow. So if I am punching the elbow, this here doesn't sharpen the elbow. The slant helps sharpen the elbow. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. If I'm coming in for a grab, this is what you're trying to offer. That's why you want to slam. So if he's trying to grab you, he's impaling himself. You know, if you're squared here, you know, I'm pulling you in. I got it. Yeah, but without shooting this forward. So a lot of times you'll have this. Watch my head. See, I'm sitting down like this. Sit down. You gotta sit your hips down as you do it. You gotta see. Now look, carry my weight.
So I also want to learn how to do that one like you did.
Stepladder.
Yeah, stepladder.
Well, even as a feint, it's like you don't always have to wait for a block. You know, hands up. Yeah, so this is just something to look at. See, his hands, the hands are quicker than the eye. That's the reason why our feints work. We see, look, I already seen it. Look back. As soon as his eyes go up and down, you're caught.
Right.
You know, so that's the hand feint. You don't have to just wait for the block. You can create the opening. But you would use stepladder if you see him constantly doing shit like this to me. See, if you see a lot of that, then you're like, okay, I got you. On the next one, I'm gonna get you. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta kind of see, your blocks ain't gonna magically block punches. You gotta see what he does best. Is he a round puncher? Is he a straight puncher? Does he want to kick you? You know what I'm saying?
Trying to wrestle, grab.
Yeah, like when you bust out the 52 in the middle, you're pretty much showboat.
Yeah.
But when I'm trying to get hands up, see, I'm trying to see what he does. Bang! You know what I'm saying? Now I see he's coming for it. Now I've created something to see. Oh, he wants to play jabs with me. Now I'm gonna bring the bones. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta kind of like get him going to see what he's gonna do first.
Do that one more time for me, Lyte.
Yeah, see, I'm already in. You know what I'm saying, man? Use it to close the distance between you. Like, blocking is very hard.
Yeah.
As you know, for real fighting, you don't know what the fuck you're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta create your moment. Like, you put some jabs out there, see what he's gonna do. You know, see what hands he working with. Okay, yeah, I see it. There it is. Bang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, now I got him moving. I can see what he's about. Is he a round puncher? Is he a straight puncher? You know, so. Other than that, you just showboat. You know, and showboating ain't bad, but you need something behind it. You know, if you're going to use it as a feint, that's cool. But showboating comes after I hurt you. Now, if I done, hands up, if I done took one of your eyes out, now it's like, you see, like when Bruce Lee hit you, he started doing all of this, and you seen his hands moving slow. He was saying you was already here. That's why his hands was moving like that. So you showboat after you hurt him. You don't showboat before then. You know, we call that hot dogging. But if I catch you with a good shot and I see you looking kind of wiggly, it's like, oh, which hand now? Yeah, now you dizzy. That's when that comes out.
Tell us about showboating again, because we had that motorcycle.
Oh yeah, showboating is pretty much doing 52 when nothing's happening. Like he's a live wire. See, if you a live wire, what the hell am I doing all this? Fuck am I wasting my energy?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But if I wanted to use it like that, it would be more faint, and it wouldn't be that long. You know what I'm saying? So even using double guard. Look, that was just this was the actual attack. You know what I'm saying? But this shit here, that shit you see Rob Mel doing, that showboating bullshit, and ain't nobody fighting like that. You know, that was slap boxing. We did all of that funny, duddy shit in slap boxing, but when this knuckle game, ain't nobody doing that dumb shit. You right here, live with it, putting that jab out. Yeah, we go back. Nice try. Nice try.
Yo, I say fighter. I became what my wounds are. Say 52 blocks, that's a whole tribe. We the ones you call quiet with the cold eyes. I ain't like these other 52 blocks niggas. Guard so sharp I detox niggas. Shell up tight then I rock niggas. Hands from the tear, I outbox niggas. I ain't like these other 52 blocks niggas, no singing. Southpaw switch, I orthodox niggas. Phone booth range, I stop niggas. Guard on high, jailhouse when I lock niggas.